Hello. Hello and welcome to this video. As promised, in this video, we will go through different XML functions and examples we will see as I had promised. So to begin with, we have a database called test. As you can see in the connection name test. So what we do is we first drop these tables if they exist, and it does not exist. Okay, both tables do not exist. There is a syntax error here. So we get rid of this. Okay. There is still is something. Yep. Okay. So employees table does not exist and departments table also does not exist. So we create these tables, and as you can see, for the department we have only two fields: department ID, which is an integer primary key, and department name is text. For employees we have several. We have employee ID, which is integer primary key. Then we have name, text, salary is numeric 10,2. Hire date is a date. Department is integer and it references department ID. Okay, so that also is a foreign key. Now we first create data for departments. We have three departments: engineering, HR, and finance, with IDs 1, 2, and 3. And then we create data for employees: Alice, Bob, Charlie, David. Our usual employees are there, A, B, C, D. Okay, so we have created that, and now we will start querying. So first we do XML element. We name the element employee, and then we have tag name, value Alice. Name is salary. Name of the tag is salary, and that is 85,000. So, oops. Okay, so if we run this, we will get this particular output. Okay, let's see this. And there we go. Employee name Alice, name tag cloud, salary 85,000, salary tag cloud, employee tag cloud. Then if we run this example, XML element, name of the element, employee ID, XML attributes, 101 as ID, engineering as department, and Alice is the text, then we will have this output. So the output is written for you to see, and this will be put as a gist in GitHub. So don't worry about copying it. Then we create XML forest from name, salary, and hire date column from employees, where employee ID is 101, which is Alice. Okay, so we run this and we will have XML forest. There we go. Then we concatenate something. We have first element here, then second element. First element is hello, second element is world. We concatenate, we get this output. And this we have already seen XML comment, very simple. Whatever text you give it, it will be converted into comment, XML comment. And then we have XML py. So this will create a header for accessibility, so that we can do. And then we have XML root. So name is employee, version is 1, standalone is yes. So this will create XML root for us. So XML root is created, which is employees with the XML header. Then we select employees with XML aggregation, name employees, XML attributes, e.employee ID as ID, XML forest, name, salary, hire date, and XML element, department, d.department name. So this is what comes as the output. And then there is a join also, because we are selecting department as well. So we run this, and we have the full output here for all the departments. So all the employees are covered: 101, and then 102, 103, 104, Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, everybody is included. And we have every information like name, salary, hire date, and department available for those. Then we have XML parsing. We have an XML book, root tag, title, PostgreSQL, and we parse that. So, oops, so after parsing, it remains the same, but it will be returned as XML. Then we serialize document, XML element, name person, XML element, name ls. So person will be a tag, name will be a tag, and ls will be the content. Okay, and this we select as text here, and finally we serialize that to XML. Then we do XPath. We look for book title text XML parse, where the document is book title SQL guide title book. So we search this. So what it will have is, it will look at book inside which title, inside which text, that is SQL guide. So it will select SQL guide here. So as expected, SQL guide is there. If there are more elements, they will come in the array. It is an array. If there are more elements, they will be part of the array. For example, let me show you. Okay, we have another title because it is selecting in the title tag. SQL alchemy. Okay, we call it title, and there you go. SQL alchemy is the second element in the array. Then we have XPath exists, so it will return a boolean, and in this case, the XPath will exist. If you want to see it returning non-true, so change the tag here, and now it won't match, it will return false. Then we have XML table. So what we do here is we have employees slash employee. So employees is here and then employees here. So these will be passed as individual rows. Employee will be passed as individual rows, and ID, name, salary will become columns. So there will be 2 rows in this, and there will be 3 columns. So here you see column ID, integer path ID, name, text path name, salary, numeric path salary. So that is what we have to do. So we take this and we paste this, and we have 3 columns and 2 rows of ID, name, and salary. Now we convert SQL values into XML. We select XML element, name employee, XML attributes, employee ID as ID, XML forest, which we have already seen. So we are converting this time the entire directly from the table, and we have several rows, 4 rows that is. Then we aggregate on entire table. So we put the entire table in one XML. So that is one XML for the entire table. Then we check if it is well formed. This we have seen, this will come out as well formed. This one will not come out as well formed because there is no trailing slash. And then we have XML serialize with the declaration. So we have XML root. So there will be an XML root, XML element, name company, XML element name API, and employees 4 will be there. Version 1 standalone, yes. So it is a combination of 3 things: serialize, root, and element. And there we go. We have our fully qualified XML. So this I am supposed to put as gist. So I'll create the gist for you. Control A, Control C, and we go to the. I will put the link in the description of. So this would be xml.md, and we paste this. And on top, you need to tell it that is the scale. And yep, it works. Spacing is fine. So we create a public gist, and the link will be shared with you in the description. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video and found it useful as to how to use XML functions, which we have discussed in previous videos. So in the next video, that is starting from tomorrow, if I get the chance to make the video, we will start our discussion on JSON functions and operators. So thanks a lot for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy.